Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Affinity Photo, how to add text. For example, I will create new drawing and we use default template. The next, if you want to add text, you can use these icons, Artix text tool. So I will draw in here and you can set text select into Mufasuket. To change this text size, you can click in this corner like here. Or you can use these tools, like I will set into 100 and press enter, so it will be automatically resize the text. If you want to change again, like for font style, you can click in here. You can set for your fonts, like I will set it to Bloodris, and it will be automatically changed. Okay, that's it. So to add text in Affinity Photo. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.